What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to show you how to make the perfect instant brew coffee. Here are the ingredients you are going to need. 1 large cup of milk and water, sweetener for taste, and a small sachet of Bru Instant Coffee powder. Let's get started. First things first, you need to get that milk and water boiling. Make sure you're using a 4:1 ratio of milk to water and heat up to a scorching 270 degrees Celsius. Once the milk and water are boiling, pour to a medium-sized cup. This is going to be a sweetener vessel. Now add 1 full teaspoon of sweetener to the milk. Make sure you stir it up really well until the sweetener is fully dissolved. Alright, now it's time for the main event. Take a large cup where the brew coffee is going to be prepared along with a small sachet of brew coffee next to it. Let's get brewing. To get things started, add a few drops of boiled milk from the medium-sized cup to the large cup using a spoon. This is going to help the coffee mix better. Next, open up that brew sachet and pour the powder into the large cup. This is where the magic happens. Now, give the cup a good swirl to mix the coffee powder with the milk drops. Don't be afraid to get a little aggressive with it. Alright, now give the cup another good swirl. This time you want the coffee to stick to the walls of the cup. It's all about presentation, right? Look at that, the brew coffee is now sticking to the walls of the cup, giving it that perfect coffee shop look. Finally, pour the milk from the medium-sized cup to the large cup, filling it up to the top. And there you have it, the perfect instant brew coffee. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.